What if knowledge no longer lived on a screen, but inside your mind? In the darkness, a single eye opens. Beneath the skin, faint currents of light begin to flow. Data approaches, not as words, not as images, but as understanding. A pulse spreads across the brain, installation complete. A human sits still. Around the head, a lattice of intelligence forms, an invisible interface between biology and machine. Then, in perfect synchronization, the mind and the network align. Numbers, maps, fragments of code orbit gently, the entire internet hovering in silence, and then collapse, absorbed, integrated, remembered. A whisper of golden particles moves from ear to cortex. AI does not speak, it translates reality. Now a second layer appears, a digital cortex wrapping the biological one pulse by pulse, thought by thought. A beam of light scans the body, neural constellations ignite within the skull. This is not science fiction, this is the evolution of cognition. The question is no longer whether AI will connect to us, the question is when it becomes part of who we are.